The Red Bull straight rhythm is basically a straight half-a-mile rhythm section. A guy like me, it's like I'm used to racing supercross with turns, and this is just a straight line with obstacles. You stand at one side, you look down the other way, and you're like, wow, this thing goes forever.
The half-mile long layout, it's definitely something I haven't seen before. Never ridden anything like it. Jumps, straight line, you can't not have fun with that.
It's not getting any I forgot what it feels like. I know it's never easy when nothing ever was.
There's nothing like going out and having some fun on a dirt bike and just enjoying it with your buddies.
I love supercross. I love rhythm sections, so what else is better? I don't really play video games, so this is my video game.
It's not getting any better. It's not getting any
It was cool to switch it up. I'm so used to riding one thing. This is like, it's almost like the sport I never did before until today. I think the sky's the limit.